You like the new Apple iPad and want a cleaning system to safely remove fingerprints, dust, and germs from the display. The iKlear Complete Kit has everything you need: non-toxic cleaning fluid and antimicrobial polishing cloths. For safety, it's always best to clean electronics with the power off. A single puff is enough to clean your iPad. Remove fingerprints, dust, and germs with the cleaning side of the dual microtextured cloth using vertical and horizontal strokes. Flip the cloth to the ultra-soft polishing side and buff the screen until all the fluid is gone, leaving the screen with an anti-static, fingerprint-resistant finish. Clean as often as necessary. iKlear does not build up on the surface.